Alrighty then. Welcome to Christ Center Gamers unboxing of Hydragun. Hail Hydra. So anyways, this massage gun goes for about $250. $249, I guess. That was the box, not me. And let's see what they say. You are about to find out what it's like to hold the future in your hands. This is my future. We put a lot of care to make sure that everything about Hydragun looks and feels great, design, packaging, and so on. Take your time and soak in the Hydragun experience. Don't forget to recycle this box when you're done with it. Thank you and welcome to the recovery revolution. So, what do we get for $249? We shall take a look. See? Alright. It's... This I don't really need. We have a manual. Color. Well, some colors. It's like red, white, black, gray. So, 6 changeable heads, 4 regular, 2 stainless steel. I'll take their word for it. This is the thinnest stainless steel I've ever seen, if that's the case. So, they say this one, the website advertises as being very quiet. It's pretty heavy. So, press and hold for 3 seconds to power on, off. Press again to change the speed. So, I'm not sure how charged this is. And, so many choices. What's this? So, let's take a look at the heads. This, adapter converter. US, European, I'm guessing. Okay. That's nice. Alright, so let's take a look at these heads. So, one's hollow, all plastic. This one's got just a very thin metal tip, or whatever head. So, then there's this one, like a, I don't know, it's not quite circular, it's kind of flat. And then there's a foamy ball part. Looks like a wishbone, kinda. And then a bullet tip, hollowish. Alright, so that's what's in this one. So we bought our own. We had another one that we reviewed and sent back, but this is an $80 gun versus $250. So this one's definitely heavier. So let's see which one. The buttons are more clearly labeled than the cheap one. This one's kind of like all faded in, but let's see what happens. Alright, so this one I have to turn on the bottom. Let's see. Startled the dog. I think this one's louder, to be honest. Dog thinks this is a toy. But, so it has different speeds. Looks like it's got 6. So I'll have to play around with it, but just without any tips in there, this one's quieter. Alright, now I'm just going to turn this one off. But, okay. So yeah, we'll have to play with it. Definitely heavier. But yeah, that's what we have so far. We'll have to charge it up a bit and test it out. So thank you for checking out this video. Thanks for watching. God bless.